This hotel is the business class hotel. We will categorize as a 4-star deluxe hotel, keeping the sector in mind of meeting incentive, conference and exhibition sector. That's called MICE sector, and that keeping in that mind, we are providing all the facilities that this sector requires, especially the banquet hall with a lot of flexible plans that they can avail at a cheaper price or with no price. In fact, we are trying to make it more interesting for those people, those who are coming for the conference and other exhibitions. When they have a long-term conference like 4-5 days, we are trying to make it more interesting by making the evening more interesting for them. Few of the programs we will be doing outside the hotel, few of the programs we will be doing inside the hotel, so that they don't feel bored and they feel that they are not missing their near and dears, and they are enjoying their, even after the work time, they are enjoying their life. This has got 81 rooms, having one coffee shop, one Indian restaurant called Char Kaman, and it has got other facilities like swimming pool, business center. Then we have got video conferencing facility, gym and spa that we are going to shortly add on to that. 15 crores roughly we have invested in the property just to make it very compatible to our expectation that we are looking at the client. So what they would be requiring in doing that, we have changed. In fact, the entire inside, whatever the interiors you are seeing, that entire thing we have changed from floor to ceiling. So everything is new from inside. So in doing that, we had to spend a little more money than this. First thing would be the service. Obviously, we are committed to that whoever comes here will get best of the services that we are committing here, and that would be very much kind of a little bit of emotional touch in that. So we'll be more interested to provide those kind of services, number one. Number two, whatever facilities and whatever they want, we are making a different type of banqueting plans for even for informal banqueting like marriage and other parties, when they need from a place with having all the facilities that's to be provided by a hotel. That's decoration, that is your, even arranging purohit also. So you are doing all these things for a party like a wedding reception also, from sangeet to ultimately to reception. We will be trying to do everything under this hotel brand. See, this coffee shop is basically a multi-cuisine. It has got Indian, South Indian and Chinese continental. Plus the uniqueness of this coffee shop, the Circle, is the buffet. Buffet is, you can see it's a 100 feet long buffet, and it has got international and national delicacies spread over with the live counters, and that is the uniqueness of this entire coffee shop. Now we are going to have Char Kaman Indian restaurant, which will be an Hyderabadi based restaurant that we are coming up in, that we are adding on to maybe another 3 months time. So that will be more of a Hyderabadi cuisine along with some other part of Indian cuisine also. Yatri Niwas is a project that we're going to make it a convention centric, more of a 5-star hotel. We'll be having 160 rooms with a convention having no pillars, maybe for 2,500 people that we are looking at. That would be a unique place in the coming days, and that we are projecting for 2,500 people can sit together, and that will be launched for any kind of product launching to any kind of informal parties that we will be doing that. It will take 18 months time roughly that we have projected. 18 months that the project can be completed. Yatri Niwas at Secunderabad.